Hello guys, welcome back to Shaji Based Lessons. Today we are going to be doing a breakdown video tutorial on how to play the song Eshe. It's a worship song actually. It's Eshe, Eshe, oh, Eshe. We'll be doing this song on the key of A, the A major. Yes. So lest I forget, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Yes, hit is very real. Like, share to your loved ones, and comment. And grab your guitar and let's go. Hashem, Hashem, Hashem. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.